Okay guys, so the cake is ready and it came out so nice. So put it in the fridge. If your banana is brownish, yellowish, that's fine because it's like the cake. So I hope you were following this recipe and it came so nice. So I told you that I'm gonna add some more decoration. So I'm gonna add a letter B, A. Okay, coming up, good. And another B. Try to guess what's that. And A. Then spells Papa. Then it's Daddy. So just put the A. And it looks like 3D. It looks like 3D. Comment down below if you have did this. So my mom helped me doing this cake. So I want to tell my mom thank you for like helping me doing this cake. Here we go. It's so nice. So I hope you followed this recipe, and if you like this video, comment down below, hit the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And make sure you follow this recipe. Bye!